there are a lot of people who are skeptical about getting started with their podcast. They feel that what if this isn't the right thing for them? Or what if it doesn't work for them? So what we will be doing today is trying to understand 5 different reasons why podcasting could just be the right thing for you. Hello and welcome to the Podcasting University. This is Dilip, and today we are going to talk about 5 reasons why podcasting could be the best thing for you. In fact, there are a lot of people who are skeptical about getting started with their podcast. They feel that what if this isn't the right thing for them? Or what if it doesn't work for them? So what we will be doing today is trying to understand 5 different reasons why podcasting could just be the right thing for you. So let's get started. Number 1, you are an introvert. I am an introvert, and podcasting is probably the best thing for introverts. You will find that there are a lot of people who are introverts and who are doing extremely well in podcasting. In fact, it feels as if podcasting was made for the introverts. So if you are shy and you want to avoid the crowd, or you're not comfortable standing in front of a crowd and delivering your message or talking to them, then podcasting is the best thing for you. All that you need to do is have an idea, a topic in mind, and you can just get started. So if you are an introvert, then podcasting is the best thing for you. Number 2, you don't like facing a camera. Once again, I never liked facing a camera. I never showed my face on camera. I used to create a lot of YouTube videos, but all of those were faceless videos where I had the screen open and I was just talking through something that was being shown on the screen. I wasn't comfortable showing up on camera or recording my face using the camera. If you are somebody like me, then podcasting is the best thing for you. A lot of times, lack of confidence in what we are talking is one of the primary reasons why we don't want to show our face on the video or on the camera. And podcasting can solve this problem for you. If you are somebody like me, then podcasting is the thing for you. Because in podcasting, you don't have to show your face. You can record your message out and put it out there for people to listen. Over a period of time, when you continuously release episodes and you're recording episodes, you gain in confidence, and when you become confident enough, you won't find a problem showing your face on the camera, just like what I'm doing right now. So start off with podcasting. It'll give you a lot of confidence to get in front of a camera and show your face and record a video. Number 3, you're lazy like me and want to avoid a lot of work. Podcasting is extremely simple to get started with. You can just take your smartphone, record an audio, do some simple edits, post it, and your episode is live. Unlike videos, you don't have to spend hours editing and fine-tuning and refining the video. It's a very simple activity when it comes to podcasting. And if you are somebody like me who hates doing a lot of work, then podcasting is probably the best thing for you. Number 4, want to start off with low investment. You don't want to spend a lot of money to get started with. And I can absolutely understand that. A lot of times when we are starting off with something, we are skeptical and we don't want to invest a lot of money until and unless we know that that is something that is going to work for us. So if you are somebody who don't want to invest a lot of money, then podcasting is the best thing for you, because in podcasting, there is absolutely no investment. In fact, like what I said, you can start off by recording an episode using your smartphone, and there are a ton of free editors out there that you can use to edit your episode and upload it on any of the podcast hosting sites. Though that is how you can get started, I still recommend going in for a decent microphone, because that will help you enhance the audio and your voice. That will do a ton of good for your podcast. So the only expense that you will incur in podcasting is getting a decent microphone for yourself. And you can visit the podcastinguniversity.com. I leave a link to this post on the podcastinguniversity.com where I speak about best microphones under rupees 5,000. So if you're looking for a decent microphone without having to spend a lot of money, you can check out that post. But the only expense that you will incur is about the microphone. The hosting is free, editors are free. You can use any of these free editors, edit your podcast and upload it out there. Number 5, you don't like dressing up every day for a video. Now, once again, this isn't something that we are all comfortable with. A lot of times you don't want to get dressed up, put all of that makeup and get ready for recording a video. And I am absolutely like that. I don't like changing my dress 5 times a day. So if you are somebody like me and you don't want to get dressed up, then podcasting is the thing for you. In podcasting, you can record an episode in the corner of your bedroom, in your pajamas, sipping a cup of coffee, and nobody will even know how is it that you're recording that episode. It is the best medium for putting your voice out there if you don't like getting dressed up every day. So those were the 5 reasons why you should start a podcast, and probably podcasting is the best thing for you. If you are able to identify with any of these 5 things that I spoke about, then leave a comment in the comment box below and I would love to hear from you. If you liked this episode, then don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification so that you stay updated with the latest episodes that I come out with. That is all that I have for today. I'll be back again the next week with some more podcasting tips. Until then, this is goodbye from Dilip.